Welcome to Smart Curiosity. Science is full of mysteries and discoveries that leave us in awe. But some of these are so incredible, they seem like they belong in a sci-fi movie. Today, we're exploring 10 scientific facts that sound like science fiction but are 100% real. Get ready to have your mind blown, let's dive in. In the quantum world, two particles can become mysteriously connected, so that whatever affects one instantly affects the other, no matter the distance between them. Einstein called this phenomenon spooky action at a distance. It's like having two coins spinning in different universes, yet they always land on the same side. Science or magic? You decide. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time isn't constant. Near black holes or at speeds close to the speed of light, time slows down. This means that, theoretically, an astronaut traveling through space for a few years could return to Earth to find that decades or even centuries have passed. It's like a leap into the future, without a time machine. These microscopic creatures, also known as water bears, can survive in the most extreme conditions, in space, in ice, and even in the vacuum of the cosmos. They're practically indestructible and show us that life can exist in places we never imagined. If there's a superhero of nature, tardigrades are definitely on the list. Black holes are so dense that nothing, not even light, can escape their gravity. But did you know that if you were to enter a black hole, time would stop for you, while it continues to pass for the rest of the universe? It's a concept that challenges our imagination and shows just how strange and mysterious the universe can be. Some organisms, like jellyfish or fireflies, produce their own light. This phenomenon isn't just beautiful, it's also useful in medical research. Imagine a world where everything glows in the dark, like something out of a sci-fi movie. Bioluminescence is proof of nature's beauty and complexity. According to some scientific theories, there could be multiple universes, each with its own physical laws and realities. This means there might be a version of you in another universe doing something completely different. It's a concept that pushes us to ask, how many other worlds are out there? The species Turritopsis dohrnii can reverse its aging process and revert to its juvenile form, essentially becoming immortal. It's like a biological reset button that allows it to live forever, in theory. What if you had this ability? In quantum physics, particles can pass through barriers that should be impenetrable. It's like walking through a wall, something we've only seen in movies until now. This phenomenon is essential for the functioning of transistors and modern technology. About 85% of the matter in the universe is invisible and can't be directly detected. Scientists call it dark matter, but we still don't know exactly what it is. It's one of the greatest mysteries of modern cosmology. This revolutionary technology allows us to edit DNA, offering the potential to cure genetic diseases or even design organisms. It's like we've become the architects of our own evolution. The future of medicine and biology is here. And that's it. 10 scientific facts that sound like science fiction but are 100% real. Which one blew your mind the most? Or maybe you know another incredible fact that seems straight out of a movie? Let us know in the comments, we're curious to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing content. Science is full of wonders, and we're here to explore them together. Until next time, stay curious.